You stated in your testimony that high-capacity magazines put my family at complete risk. Could you please qualify that statement? What did you mean by that? How does that put my family at complete risk?
It puts all of our families at risk, at great risk, and all of our communities at great risk because, as mentioned, the high-capacity magazines not have the ability for lives to be saved because there are no pauses that are used with other types of ammunition and no ability for people to escape during the times that a shooter would otherwise be reloading their gun.
Magazine capacity does not determine the amount of damage that can be inflicted.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Sheriff Knesevich, as a law enforcement officer, I routinely practice changing magazines. So do many civilians. In your experience, would you believe that people who do in fact practice changing magazines rapidly could change a 10-round magazine quickly enough to mimic a high-capacity magazine, so as having there be no difference between the two?
One better, the revolver, a 6-shooter revolver, properly practiced, you can exchange and reload that faster than you can almost a magazine, or at the same time. Again, it is not the magazine, it is the skill of the shooter, and many of these shooters do practice. Mass shooting is happening at a frightening level, and much of that comes from gang and drug activity. The day we start dealing with those issues, you will see the gun violence in this country go down. If we think that we're going to get ourselves out of this problem by banning magazines, you're wrong. The way we get ourselves out of this problem is to enforce our laws and make it painful to commit gun crimes. Thank you.